Joe Slayton here, my little turkey calls. I want to give it a little demo on how to use my owl hooters. Okay, first thing you're going to do is grab on the end of it like this. Okay, and then you're going to cup your hand to where you have a hole coming out the other side. And then your right hand or left, that depends on which one you hold it with, is going to cup around to make a sound chamber. Okay, here's what it sounds like when you're just blowing it. Now I'm going to grab it. Now the other hand's going to come in. So all I did was cover it to make a sound chamber. Otherwise you get a... Okay, so cover it completely. If you get your fingers and hands too tight, you can't get hardly any sound at all. Loosen the fingers a little bit till you get the right sound you want. Okay, if I open the fingers too much, it also changes the sound. So you just play with the hand positioning, getting the right amount of cup with your fingers and how relaxed your fingers need to be. So when you want to do the laugh, you open your hand up, okay? So use the diaphragm to blow the air out, okay? Use the same rhythm as the owl does. And then you're gonna use, I use my throat to do the, okay? To do the roll of the owl. Okay, some people can flutter their tongue. I choose to use the throat. I feel like I have a little more control when I'm using my throat. I purr that way as well when I'm turkey calling. So try those tips. And if you have any other questions, you can shoot me a message or whatever to see if I can help you with whatever you need help with. Thank you.